Hello guys, it's your boy back, and today I'm playing some squads with my friends. So we're going salty. We're gonna get some kills. And I'm gonna change my YouTube channel name to Xzaps because that's my clan's name that me and my other friend is gonna create. And yeah, and I'm gonna have a creator code and everything, so just stay tuned. You know, you guys can talk. Just talk English, just talk English. Got attack, got attack. Guys, you don't have to go to places with don't go to. I'm coming now. I have a assault rifle. I'm coming to you now. Right now. Guys, you have to. I have bandages, yeah. Knocked him. Yes. Give me bandages quick. So quick. Quick. He's reviving his friend. Oh no, man. Okay, guys, good. Come here. Revive me quick. You guys, I nearly had a heart. Revive me. Yeah.
Shield.
Talk English.
Does someone have shield?
No. Yes, but I don't have enough for both of us. No, never mind. I thought I had enough bullets, but I don't.
Yes.
Yeah? Is all the people gone at Salty? So quick.
Let's go in the houses. I didn't leave my house. I just went on the weekend.
Same here.
Yes, that house and that house.
I know, that's mine house. This purple one.
The blue one is mine. The red is mine.
I have a submachine gun here.
What color?
I have a grey one for you.
No, I
I have a green one. I have 81 AR bullets. I just need maps like building materials. Can you guys like give me building materials, please?
I'm fine, I'm sorry. I don't know you.
I don't even have 100 yet.
I have 200 degrees.
That's a lot. Just give me some.
Okay, I'll give you some else.
That's like absolutely nothing.
That's why I found 2.5. So that's 2.8.
And friends, can you give me maps? RG. Thank you.
Whoever looked at this house is so stupid. There's a mythical chest. What's the ending from?
Can you give me your shotgun then?
Yeah. It is. English ticket.
Do one of you guys have a sniper for me? Does one of you guys have a sniper for me?
I'm just going now.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna join you again. Okay, no.
Same. It's gonna stay forever. Guy, RG, will you give me a skin? I'm just joking. I'm not so greedy. Come now! Guys, it's like...
Just leave the party. Epic content.
I also want some of this loot, okay?
No problem. I'll give you the max. Okay. I need the AR on my battery.
I have 153.
I'll give you the max. Use max.
Do you want A or ammo?
Yes, please.
Is that enough?
Yeah.
Did,
Oh! That was mine. But
knocked him. Headshot at him.
teammates, did you test it?
I knocked him.
I think I should make the shoes. I'll put these myself next. On me. I'll go to something here. On me. Oh, you have to okay, there's someone.
I know! They were around me the whole time. Just so.
Yes.
Let's play duos. RG, do you want to play duos? Oh. Dude, where's Flark?
I don't know.
Are you guys in the same school?
I don't know. He's in creative.
Is he older than you?
Excuse me?
Is he older than you?
Yeah. But it's actually the game.
Okay. Guys, please go ahead and like and subscribe for this video.